So I posted on Facebook some days ago about Manus AI, and some persons reached out to me. They had taken advantage of it, while some persons said they don't know how to create on Manus AI. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your portfolio on Manus AI, which is a paid tool, but you can use it for free for now. They will take over it again. You'll not be able to access it again until you pay for it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Manus AI. First of all, I told you have to make use of ChatGPT. ChatGPT should be your best friend. You can also use Gemini for ideas. So I told ChatGPT exactly what I wanted, and it gave me the prompts that I posted on Manus AI, and it executed for me. This plus icon is where you will add your pictures, your videos, and everything you need for Manus AI to execute for you. Then you also add your link to your portfolio, to your social media platform like your Facebook, your LinkedIn, and everything. This is the project I did on Manus AI. So I didn't like the outcome. Later on, I will still edit again because it's not to my taste. This is just to show some of you what Manus AI can do. This is how my portfolio looks like now. So I will still add more videos later. So this is how my portfolio looks. Work with me, my service. He added all my videos too. You can see this looks great to some extent. The only issue with Manus AI, since we are using the free version, they wrote made with Manus. So anyone that sees your work will know that it was made with Manus AI, but that does not stop you from creating. You can still create and post on social media or send to someone who asks for your portfolio. We have no excuses. You can message me right now on my WhatsApp, my Facebook link, my YouTube. They are all working. Let me tap on YouTube. Let's see. It will take you down to my YouTube accounts. Can you imagine how amazing this is? How beautiful this is. It will take you down to my X also. This is so nice. This is so amazing. You should hop on this immediately. We'll leave the prompts you can use to create your own after this video. So let's go back. You can also edit this work if you don't like it. You can edit your work. The place you want to edit, you click on it and it will edit for you. If you don't like maybe the fonts, the spacing and everything, you can also tap here to publish it, to make it public. So remember I said you go to new tags. So when you go to new tabs, you copy the prompts ChatGPT gave you and post here together with your videos and your social media links here. You can build websites or Manus, you can create slides, you can even create apps and more. A lot of things you can do with Manus AI. You can even use the AI agents. It will help you. So if you want a more amazing result, you have to go for the pro version. So let's go over to the settings. In the settings side, you can make this. They're asking me mobile app or desktop. Loaded all my documents, my prompts, my videos here, and my link to my social media platform. This is how it looks. So at this point, if you are still watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos that are coming. So I've added everything that is needed to be added here, and I will upload it. So this is how it looks. It seems one of my video did not upload, the one saying upload failed. It could be network. But this is how to create your portfolio on Manus AI. Hop on this offer before it expires, because this Manus AI is a paid tool, but they have given us the privilege to create our portfolio, our website, using this free, or will I say opportunity, promo they are giving They are giving us the opportunity to do portfolio and just to get us to use Manus AI. So hop on this offer before it expires. Do not procrastinate it. Remember I said you need to go to ChatGPT. I use the voice version here. I said what I want to create. I said how my portfolio will look like, and ChatGPT gave me the prompts I needed. So that is it. You need to talk to ChatGPT like your husband, your father, your mother. Express yourself like a very close friend, and it will be able to create what you want. So after I told ChatGPT, it gave me the prompt I needed. So that was it. The prompt is quite long, and I told ChatGPT, added some mistakes, we corrected, just like that. It was able to create for me again. I sent it another prompt, it did again, just like that, and I was able to come out with these prompts here, those prompts. So I just did it to just show a lot of persons and people that have been reaching out to me about this Manus AI. So you can try it out. So add your name, your picture, your logo, your brand color, your brand details, and everything you need to add on ChatGPT. It will now help you to create what you want. So when I sent this thing now to Manus AI, and Manus AI delivered for me, so I can still do some edits later. So I just did it to show you in this video. So let's go back to Manus AI. This is the free version. They gave me 2,300 credits. So you can personalize this Manus AI. You can, just the way ChatGPT is, where you can add the prompts, your name, whatever you want Manus AI to call you, that is here. It's the same thing. Just copy your memory from ChatGPT or Claude and paste it on Manus AI also. You can add your occupation, you add your nickname. What do you want Manus AI to call you? You put it up here. You can even connect your other this thing like Canva on Manus AI. You can do a lot of things on Manus AI. So hop on this right now. This is something that you should do. Do not play with it. ChatGPT, Gemini should be your best friend, where you can create your prompt and send it to Manus AI. You need to learn how to prompt. If you don't know how to prompt, you will not be able to create amazing portfolio. So if you don't know how to prompt, go and watch my other videos where I've talked about prompting and artificial intelligence. Watch it, implement it, and you'll be able to create amazing videos, amazing portfolio on social media. Even if you're not doing it for a client, for yourself, for your business, it is worth it. It is really worth it. So I hope this video has helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. Bye.